today. Morning guys, it's Dylan McClure here with Nutrien Ag Solutions, solutions from above. Right here is Anthony Aliotti. He is pretty much the pilot for the beneficial drone where we release beneficials. Today we kind of wanted to go over the steps of how we set up for a flight out here on a ranch. We have a grower that's letting us do this to explain a little bit in depth. So one of the main key things that we like to focus on is safety. Huge safety factor is based around our drone. Because we fly so low, there's hills. We usually base it around, I don't know, 5 to 10 feet off the ground, you would say you fly?
Yeah,
roughly around there. When you talk about that, there's a lot of dangerous factors that could be within that range. First off, somebody walking around. So we have to also make sure we drive around the ranch ahead of time. The next one could be a tree, a random tree in the middle of the field, which we do have at this ranch, and I will show you guys in a bit. Over on the side, we have a bunch of eucalyptus trees you have to take into effect. The second one too is that if any kind of damage does happen to a field, we do have insurances on these drones up to $10 million in coverage. So, you know, I don't know what a lot of other people in the competition provide to the growers, but that is a huge safety factor that we have, just to pretty much make sure that the grower is feeling safe. We're going to walk you through our setup of the drone. So our pre-flight checklist, make sure that there is nothing going on with the drone. Batteries are at the right temperature before takeoff. It is a cold morning right now, so a lot of the times the batteries like to get warm. We could leave them on the seats and turn our the heaters on our seats to warm those batteries up. The next thing is the props. Make sure these props are good. We did run to a little counter last time where actually you got a bird, right? Little tiny little bird hit a bird that was going on there. So, you know, when an incident like that does happen, we like to bring that drone back, make sure that everything's working properly, and we do bring spare parts with us just in case. Is there anything I didn't catch?
I think that's about it. We'll take you through the step-by-step up close.
Yeah. So see you guys soon.
Click in all the arms here. Make sure everything is working, clicking and locking in. And we're gonna take our covers off.
And we're gonna go down here, guys, and there's a little paint that goes across the bolts here. We want to double check on each prop to make sure that none of them have rotated and that they're all the same. So that'll be the final step of what Anthony Aliotti is going to do. And then next is pre-flight checklist.
Get everything on.
It's ready to go.
As far as errors, there's an upgrade that we're gonna do later today, but it's good to fly.
Ready to go. What's our batteries at?
Good.
All the batteries, shows all the batteries just in case if there's any kind of errors. All right guys, so it looks like we got our bugs in. They came in these boxes here. If we open them up, there's individual bottles in here. There are 4,000 count. I think we're needed to pick up a little over 2 million and some bugs, so hopefully we got a little extra here. We're going 20,000 to the acre here, so we end up doing the math. Tubes underneath the drone hold 10 liters in total, 5 liters each. And so we'll end up getting about 10 bottles in there, which will be about a 44,000 count when we're releasing, and in each tube, so it'll be 88,000 on a given flight. So stay tuned. We're gonna do a quality check. We're gonna pull one bottle out at random, disperse it into a little bin, and make sure that the persimmons look really good before we release. We like to make sure that we're not releasing dead bugs and that the grower got the quality that he's supposed to be getting before it hits the field. All right, guys, so this is the 4,000 count. And so we're gonna dump it out and do a quality check on it real quick.
Checking the lid. Usually they like to hang around the lid. This is Persimmilus. Yep, I see 2 crawling right there.
No photo autofocus, but. So we are dumping it out, but we will be filling this back up into the actual drum itself. So we're not wasting anything. There's actually one down and in here. I was just seeing. Hey guys, well, finishing up the day right now. Anthony's we got one more flight to do. It's been a long day. Definitely, we recommend not to have 4,000 bottle count of Persimmilus. This is kind of ridiculous. Also, let's try to save the environment. So let's do high concentrate and big liters. And it makes it a lot easier on us, but in the field. But all in all, everything went out pretty good, pretty smooth. I mean, the longest part of it all is just filling up these tubes with unscrewing these caps and everything and shaking them out. But yeah, that's our day. Thanks, guys.